Hi guys, are you excited? I'm definitely excited to connect with you guys on this platform. So guys, as you all know, today is Sunday. I normally post my videos on Sundays by 4 p.m. GMT time, okay? That's when I normally post my videos. So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly just click that bell you are seeing below. Click on it so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'm sure you're going to have an awesome time with us here. You'll have no regrets whatsoever. To my existing subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. I love you all. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your shares. Thank you for commenting and even watching. God bless you all. I really appreciate, and that's why I love you guys. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make a body scrub. It's an exfoliating body scrub, a lightening body scrub. So I used lemon, as you can see from the video. I used vitamin E capsules, cinnamon, turmeric, original honey, a lightening serum, whitening serum, and my sugar, of course, with my bowl for mixing all these ingredients. So guys, I always say it and I'll say it again. Exfoliating is removing dead cells from your skin, okay? When you exfoliate, it allows your pores to receive any cream or soap you are using on your skin. It helps you to absorb it more, and it helps your products to work faster. Okay, so this is the lemon I used. I didn't use all of them. When you watch the video, you will see the quantity and how I used the lemon. Okay, and please don't forget to wash your lemon. So that's the sugar that I used. That sugar, I think, is about 5 cups of sugar there. 5 cups of sugar. And that's the original honey, like I said before. And that's the whitening and facial vitamin C facial serum. Actually, please, vitamin C facial serum. And also this is my turmeric powder that I used. I didn't use all of them. As you watch the video, you will see the quantity that I used for this particular body scrub. Okay, so my customer wanted her skin to glow. She needed a scrub that will glow her skin. So first thing first, I don't know, I think this video is explanatory. There's no need to talk much on it. Just watch the video and enjoy it. If you have any question, just drop it in the description below. So let me allow you guys to enjoy this video, okay? Just enjoy, and you can learn 1 or 2 things from it and make your own scrub at home, okay? Thank you so much. And also, guys, don't forget, this scrub is not for sensitive skin, please. My client's skin is tough, like her skin is not sensitive. She has a hard skin, so this is not a scrub for sensitive skin. If you are sensitive, please don't use this scrub, okay? Alright, enjoy the rest of the video.